rwasinyire kingoro cyana kigosengo bugaye kingoro cyana kigosengo bugaye
na kirete iganga makonyoranga Anthony Kibage ndi mujumbe gitutu chache South nwalenge egesa akaboli kwa maswali kadhaa tiante beke manenga ete bauti njale ngo ya bondo bunaboli tukwa maswali na kale unalengo asiki before baga chiro bakunje tubusidyuka bakukwana n'ubururu amangana gosokokosoka guka but this time around narojo mungwano la bit calm.
Njoma ite Governor Simbarati na very his biggest supporter. Kerba ite kumu impeach Osoro na n'umuchumbo Kitutu North na Rigathi Nwalenge serikali ninche na atenenete kidete inche na Barongo. Na ntu kabwatela na wachumbe banyamira Gisairo Osero na nenga kie yupa kamanduku na otu warengenere.
At least bono okukwana buno mujumbe. Okukwana in a very simple manner. At least bono okukire igoso kya mangana tuigwa sense kurwa sale. That is what we need. If yongozi vijana kuzimo ichere sana. Abandi mwatoiro bosoko, mwegere mogora abantu boruvuka mubwata mangana muwaka kuchia. Boniga kababa toerero. 2. Nako gete sana kirago sabuko abera.
Taligento kiana akorete, for which I apologize profusely as abantu baminto. Oborubugatira sana. Amangana akavuna bete mwaroche gari ya asekwerende ase umtandao ne CCTV.
Na akorete video lindango batebinga ngike kulia bajumbe gusi. Chise gichoka gucha. Jim mo to correct na mola strong. Mwakoyo. Ebicheka magoro ki wantu nikibage ndi kwakoyo ndetege pai ke kubegoro gakoragira. Ikasakilate bake gasalmati yangirie. But kiranto nikibage ndi achite on ko sabalibaga kote yabantu nga pole gakinya bere tukena ko tengelikiya. Ngyanku nenkoro. Ngana ki omujumbo monyene ochirere dime yeba gusi osabiro kwabera. Abumbia. Yeah? Abumbia. That is what we need. We katora abantu bagosaba kwabera. Abantu bakwera sana mangana guchia. Abantu batebania yande guchia in a good way. Siasa taliko kunokoba. Seginto kaneti. Bono ndo bwensho na majango bati chiguni. Ndundo kaneti gun. Tokale siasa botoerero. Siasa yobo toerero. As simple as that. Kila usabo kwabera umete naro chenga. Yo mu advice tena ko tega yentekia. Daki kolenda angena matiyangi botiri ko yumbata kere. We. Matiyangi akoli ko boto botiri ko yuga nesegyo batu kuchia abantu kurama kuchia ai mwa koranire. Bati bono gusaba kuli kwabera igoko amatiyangi chinguru. Koba nere igoko matiyangi igoko nyamatiyangi sana. Mbia muno sana Anthony Kibage asobo sabo kwabera. That was very important. Njibeka na kirete yangu eboli bono nkeke. Ulino matiyangi rafu wakandu chitake. No, but when you decided inga kusabulu kwabera, you got to go hoping that is the end of such an action. Do it kunyare mtu nebi going forward. That's one. Ega ndekende yangu nete. Kana bere ngwe chanda sana. Abajumba bana matiyangi, abasani barati. Ingi bate ko matebeli, arati yako legasi. Ngwe bole maswali, ingi bakireta arati. Teko karagasi, ngo kamaga saina, abantu nyako bosongo gali yango te afanya kazi be county ba ko rukulera. Kuruchisi isi mpaka mondo kwabusa. Go ask them. Bonkunyu aikaranza loburi na kimomenyetega. Awa tebigaje echere. Takia kabesa tu kulinda gira tu twanyora echere. Abantu ngana bali singa kutegwa kanu. Kwanyora ngachigali chesisi njibwati mabuta. Abantu baro bakirete mangana talibia. Bono na kingo ko tebiga abantu bachandegete. Lakini ndo akonyora mujumbu ndo penshule na matiyangi okumuka mo especially Kibage ndiyo musani guchi Simbarati koma tainga amugaka Simbarati kusumumura tiga amangana bunaya koraiga nega no genda tutam koraba nenchi babusonge gas lakini bono Anthony Kibage nachi out kora kinge kemaene Simbarati mbaba okora
amachaya achakire gosoa nchenanye gukwana bubigoro ya Simbarati lakini asenyencho yebintu bakwenda banyu State House ebintu bakwenda basokerwa State House Simbarati ochakire gutwara machaya
na atebeta Simbarati otwara bono kwenena na ene ro chake obachayo chake kubachaya bono bachaira bonse Simbarati achaite kiromondo paka otebenga magendro taiko genda Kitutu cha South taiko genda ndonse siasa iliyoko ya moyi ile abantu bakabwaturu kabisa mwate ngonye mugo sasima serikali muri kwa kumagendra nero fa Simbarati bakwembreza ichi kusiyeto bono Anthony Kibaki ndio bikira very clear ese gi yangeire kitutu chache south against Mbarati bono vya sambira bono tukete Anthony Kibaki nagene mpaka sanko yae oyoro ngwae na bongo kudi yango yae baka amenera matebinga na alitaye kuru siasa oika gosoba seneta sawa lakini taba soko amanga na siasa ga ngango choto tabiara kala Mbarati kura ya na tukandi Mbarati ni tomu tepole ndo akotegera tomu ga ngwae bono mukai vera kando tiga ndo basukuruta umwengwe tukuliye twara no ngwae ole gati hapana maskani to ngwae tiga rakoba tukuruta ngatomera no ngwae ende twatika no mungu akongwa tiga vera kando ekarotore target nireli simple na watavinga campaign kusikia kwanya ya sambiri boniga nabo rite mushimo arama gante vinga kusiengi mayonsi pi ngamere abantu batali hapo ni viongozi ngaigo biasara aba akichukura ngaba bale akije viongozi aba kwa kichukura ibatarire iko bono kiro muntu gusina mete ground yaskere ochakira se Mbarati paka GMC nchimanyete ground yaskere nchimanyete ground yaskere bono tuliko chokabaraisi campaign yoka chikali chikumnyoka ni abantu makuli tokote esararanga mati anginaire tuliko chokaba mucheso this time around noko kenda na gutimbuka okuira mate na gutira because kengo ligere ando bate gosalinga gusi ndoliko chugwanja twatana ne kura first second gusi ndoliko chugwanja madiangita nyora bajumbe tanyora governor tanyora senator tanyora women rep tanyora MCA gusi ndoliko chugwanja egekoba kebe ndoliko chugwanja PR jamuno sana subscribe ngakire simi mugambe na inchi bali muraga niko share because bono nditurakale anotole.
Welcome to Humphreys Hill House. Humphreys is a boutique hotel located on Kionganyo Hill in Kisii town. We are just 2 kilometers off Kisii CBD. And the hill itself, Kionganyo, is culturally significant among Abagusi people. This is where our prophet Sakawa stood and prophesied that Getembe, which is Kisii town, will come up. And several other cultural activities used to happen on this hill, which included Ribina dance, where women met and danced and prayed for rains. Young men fought wars about marriage in this hill. So the hill is very significant. And therefore, in the design concept for this hotel, we have done what we call a hotel within a museum, where we have tried to collect, document, and preserve a lot of Kisii culture. So right from the gate as you come in, you'll see pieces of soapstone, the reception in our gift shop. Each of our rooms has a piece of soapstone that explains about some cultural event or activity. You go to our common spaces, whether it's in the bar, whether it's in the restaurant, there are carvings displayed all over, which have cultural stories and those kind of things. And then at the back side of the main building, we have developed a Gusii homestead, the authentic Gusii homestead with all the traditional huts. And this is where we want culture to be experienced as it was in those days. So the buildings have been done how they were supposed to be. The activities can be carried out. There are indigenous trees there. There are free-range chicken that are running all over. And it's a nice setup if you want to hold traditional weddings and traditional activities. Then next to it, we have an amphitheater that has a capacity of around 250 people, where again, performances, both cultural and meetings and conferences can happen as we endeavor to support the community and preserve the culture that we so wish it doesn't disappear. All in all, you're welcome to Humphreys, and we hope you'll be able to get an experience of the Gusii culture. Thank you very much.